This is why you should always limit your band to 5 people or less.
Run, just run across the valley. If I see one, I want to go and hid behind that barrel. Just put this in here. Run! Get me out! Let me out! Alright, let me out, you with. Alright, Brian, let's go and get you, man.
Never agree to a building project on this farm. Never leave again. I mean, when is a cold pool on a hot day not tempting? Well, in the absence of cows, young cowboys need to practice on something, I suppose.
Oh! Holy crap! How do I let it go? I can't let it go.
Yes, once upon a time, we rode these proud steeds into battle.
Are you smiling? Are you smiling, Goober? That's a big smile. Good job. Here you go.
Yeah, I'm gonna say there's some pre-existing beef between these creatures.
He's gonna have you.
Love me, or I'll hate you. You've got to hand it to her. For an escaped cow, her manners are impeccable. He's like the Pied Piper. Did you know that chickens could fly? This goat has clearly never heard of social etiquette. I'm not sure whether my insurance will cover this. Up to this point, I never wanted to own my own turkey army, but now I've seen his.
And every morning we come out here. go, "Morning, boys!" And they love it. Big one now. They love it.
This cat is severely pushing his luck, as he's about to find out.
Hey, Henry. You want to race? You want to race?
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the most confused dog in the world. Well, I hope there's not a McDonald's at the bottom of that hill. He went missing, and then a week later, there he was.
Bubby! There he is. Hi. Oh, everybody's coming.
Why is it so difficult to get your cardio? There's no love quite like donkey love. Just look at this and tell me you wouldn't like a piglet of your own. You've heard of a therapy dog. How about a therapy horse?
Give it a different tune. That's it? Good job. That's so okay, give him a smile. Oh, give him a big smile. You wanna go up?
Every friendship should be this pure and this cute. I mean, what do you do when a chicken is stealing your dinner? What's the correct procedure?
Hello, it is Friday. Freddy's. Oh gosh. Oh, Freddy, fit check. Stop, please.
This is the way I respond to people making TikTok videos too.
No. Like I was saying, it is Friday fit check. This is the fit. It is a gym fit. Can you not? Please, I'm begging you. Stop hitting me. Dodged. Okay, enough. I'm trying to show the fit. This is the fit. We got retaliation, hoodie on. He's really just going at it today. Stop it. I'm trying to show them the graphic. Look at this graphic. We got young guts back here.
Oh, Bon. Oh, girlfriend.
Have you ever heard of duck soup? You're looking at it.
Hold on. All right, hold on. Let's see Big Hop. Big Hop. Oh, that's a big hop.
3 chocolate Labradors and a white one? Donkey hugs don't get as much publicity as bear hugs.
hug. Give me a hug. Oh, yeah. Big hug.
Go away.
A completely new variety of porch pirate. A touching reunion after 4 long months apart. Hang on a minute, I think she's mocking me. Are these sheep or kangaroos? Donkey cuddle? Of course! Why would you ever turn that down?
Oh, you could. Ellos. Yeah. Thanks.
Looking pretty bad weather out there. Come on, pups. Come on, get in the house. Let's go. Come on, come on.
She has many pets. Some traditional, some not so traditional.
Come on, Jericho, get in the house. Come on. What the heck?
Alright, get in here.
Okay, I guess you can come too. Where's the dogs at?
Hey, hey, hey! Wanna play? Feeling disenchanted with life? Just watch this clip. This little daredevil is basically the Tom Cruise of sheep. This couldn't have been any more foolish if he'd gone in there dressed as a matador. What's wrong with a simple handshake?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pick that dog?
Well, I suppose a rabbit that big would need some kind of transport.
This right here is why we don't crawl in that.
What are you looking at? Something amusing you?
You did this to yourself.
Ah, the perils of the jump scare. Well, this was just a shock for everyone involved. I get the feeling he's looking for attention. A great day out for the entire family, if your entire family is insane. He's seeing himself for the first time.
Who's that handsome boy? Who's that handsome? Who is that?
Does he even know he's a horse?
Okay, seriously, this turkey has been stalking the mail truck throughout the entire neighborhood.
Hey, where's my mail? Come back here with my mail.
Oh my god. Oh gosh, this is so funny. Okay, and there he goes. There he goes. Oh my god, this is so great.
This is why you never see chickens in the North Pole. When you don't have fingers, you need to find a different way to scratch an annoying itch. Well, I mean, it was for me, right? What's the point in being polite?
Hi, Devils. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, buddy. Did you sleep good?
All he needs is a stereo system with some serious bass. He now speaks fluent turkey. Apparently, cows are just as happy to see the sun as we are. It's like Escape from Alcatraz, but for livestock.